Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to scale in PrusaSlicer. So click on your 3D model to select it. Now we will click on the scale tool, or you can press S key on your keyboard. And now as you can see, now we can drag this uh, wherever we prefer. So we can go like that, but now it's too big. We can put it something like that. Now as you can see what happens. Something like that, smaller, like that, and more wider. Now it looks like a frog, but yeah. So you get the point here. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.